Nono Hubbies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is Uncut with Nono Hubby, where we bring in controversial issues that are on internet, issues that are craving for our opinion, that is disturbing us, that is like, no, come and talk about me. What are you doing? Come and talk about me. Okay, I will come here, I will dissect it. Of course, just for your opinion, what do you think about it? Because we have several school of thoughts, what they think about it, and I would like you to put that in this comment section what you really think about this film. You know, the popular Nigerian artist, the almighty artist, the most followed on Instagram, Davido, and we're going to be talking about his PA, which is Isrealdmw, and his marriage issue, crashing things and all of that, and his biography and all of that. So if you're on the internet, or if you've been hearing everything that's been going on, flying up and down on the internet this period about Davido's personal assistant, go to Otimpu, anything you can talk about Isrealdmw, and you're thinking, who the hell is this guy? Why is this guy all over the internet? Today you're going to know who the guy is, of course, who the wife is. Okay, let's dive into the video. Of course, if you're a very good fan of Davido record label, Davido, everything about Davido's music, Israel shouldn't be an issue for you to be familiar with. But in case some people are not just very internet, but in case I'm gonna just break it down a little bit. Affair Israel, popularly known as Isrealdmw, was born in October 4th. He's a Nigerian social media influencer. They call him politician, I don't know, but most importantly, he's Davido's logistic manager. He's from Land in Edo State, where he grew up, and attended Abrus Ali University, where he graduated with a BA in International Studies and Diplomacy. Okay, his career, Isrealdmw is a staunch supporter of People Democratic Party, PDP, of course, alongside with his boss Davido. What do you think? Okay, Israel is currently based in Lagos State and has previously worked with well-known stars in the entertainment industry. Israel is the major name in the entertainment industry. Okay, his social media handle is Isrealdmw. Of course, that's what everybody knows about him. Okay, and his wife SHEILA Courage David was born on June 4, 2001 in Edo State, Nigeria. She is the popular Nigerian model. I don't know about model, but she's a writer, relationship coach, and TV presenter who came to limelight due to her husband's influence. Trust me, she's very young. Forget about all the title given to her. It's just because she has come to the limelight. Okay, SHEILA Courage is the wife of Davido's personal logistics manager, Isrealdmw. Recently, there has been rumors about their separation spreading on the internet, which we're going to talk about today. Okay, of course, her full name is SHEILA Courage David. He's born in June 4th, 2001. Age 22 years. Okay, she's from Edo State as well. She's a Nigerian. She's from a Christian background. She was married, I can just put married. She was, okay, also University, okay, where she backed her degree. Okay, so this is biography about Isrealdmw and SHEILA, of course, Courage, the wife of DMW. So of course, so many things have been going on internet about their separation and all. It is true. This is not allegedly. This is not allegedly. It is true. They are having problems with their marriage. Of course, at this moment, they are separated, or rather, they are divorced, or rather, their papa is in the court for divorce. But right now, they are separated. Okay, and the internet went berserk because so many influence. The guy's wedding took many influential people around Nigeria to the place, likes of Obi Kubana, Chief Priest, name them. Davido had an appointment. Davido actually cancelled his show because of Israel's wedding. Do you understand? He cancelled his show and still booked a private jet that almost cost him 30 million naira just to attend this wedding. And I'm not even going to talk about the money he spent there. So money was well spent. People attended. So many artists from different states flew in. Of course, people that were outside also tried as much as possible to be present. Do you understand? Because the guy has this attitude of funny things on the internet. The way he, he's so loyal to Davido. Everybody knows him, and also people were just interested about him and liked his courage. But this is when he was single. Okay, so moving on to 2022, when she met SHEILA Courage David. Of course, the girl was a Christian. They met in evangelism, and the girl was a virgin. The guy Israel just came up onto the internet to tell us this few history. The girl was a virgin, a pastor's daughter, a member of the same Winners Chapel that he also attends. Okay, people can change. She tries that people can change anytime. People can be very ungrateful and deceptive. That is what Israel was trying to say, that the girl had nothing. So he met the girl, and the girl presented herself to be a very good person from a very good Christian home. The mother has the title in the church, of course she's the virgin and all of that. So the way she portrayed herself actually made Isrealdmw to be, you know, to like her, to want to be with her and everything. So at the first instance, Israel kind of took care of her, changed her phone according to what Israel was writing, changed her phone, changed her hair and everything. This is what he called achievement. This is what a regular man can do for a prostitute do. They even buy house, buy car for prostitutes. We'll never talk anything. And they still move on. Do you understand? But this is what he feels that is his achievements. So he's trying to tell us that what he has done. Do you understand? He bought her hair, bought her phone, and bought her clothes. Do you understand? And pushed her and made her Instagram followers to climb from 2,700 to 1 million. I'm kidding, not to 1 million, 200 and something thousand. Like he actually brought her to the limelight. That is what this guy Isrealdmw calls as achievements for this girl. Okay, so he's trying to say that after they were married in 2022, everything was going well, but at the time the girl felt that he was going to take over his marriage. He called it juju. He felt like she was going to use juju on him by trying to control him, telling him what to do and what not to do. What Israel actually brought up on the internet is that the girl said that he is too loyal to Davido, that he misbehaves, and that he should, you know, the way he portrayed it was actually contrary to what the girl is trying to say. So when he put that on the internet, I'm going to put it on the screen here so you can read. When he put that on the internet, so the girl actually fought back, and she was like, she didn't say it this way. She was just trying to say that he should try to become of himself. Not every time she's doing this, she's doing that. He should try to become of himself. Not that she didn't say she shouldn't be the video's aid or anything or what have you, but you know, all those excesses that he used to disgrace her on the internet a lot. The flimsy, you know, the loud mouth, you know, something should be curtailed, like from when you were single and when you were married. This is what he's trying to tell us, okay? This is what she was trying to tell us, okay? So it's not been flying up and down. Obi Kumuna came on the internet to even actually post the video of their wedding, how flamboyant it was, and he was like, how do I live without you? They pay me, you know, that kind of thing, because of the wedding, the kind of the scenario of the whole thing. And Davido hasn't spoken anything on this matter. What he just said is that you are saying too much. That was what he said, okay? But Isrealdmw is not only accusing the girl, which he is separated with, he's also accusing the girl's mother of being an ungrateful mother-in-law, that she's never contented with anything that he gives to her, and even showed us the last receipt of the 400,000 naira he sent to the woman's account. It's crazy. It's crazy when you have petty son-in-law. This is what you're going to be witnessing. So people will see, we have different school of thoughts in this thing. The first one is saying that this girl knows that Isrealdmw was this kind of person on the internet. He was always bowing down to the Davido. I'm going to play the video here, praising him and, you know, almost licking his nyash, too loyal. And still, she found it very comfortable to be with this guy. And that school of thought was saying, okay, fine, that they don't see anything wrong with what the girl was saying, that everybody wants their husband to upgrade. Do you understand? Everybody wants their husband to be this kind of person that they're going to be proud of, not this sort of person that they will be, I don't know, pointing at somebody that was stupid or not. I don't know how to really put it, but you know, that was what the second school of thought was saying in this issue. Me, I'm not even in any school of thought at the moment, because I'm trying to understand the both parties in whatever reason that is, in whatever school of thought that I've just mentioned. I'm trying to understand the both party, but I am not in any of the school of thought. Even some guy on the internet just came out, some random guy. I'm gonna play the video of what he said.
For this Israel broken home, so Davido should be held responsible, because Davido, Israel, a very loyal man to you. You don't understand? As he don't marry, so you supposed to call and sit down and say, my guy, I don't say you love me, you dey respect me, I beg, don't dey lie down for ground for me again, for public. You know why? Because of your wife. Because every woman, their mentality that to see their husband, they win too. As in, they get that jealousy, man. They want me their husband see they on top too. That is why you see say wife tell her say, Build it for yourself. Be a man. Now the guy pick offense. So say, why you talk to my oga like that? Nobody knows me not do oga. Now Davido supposed to correct Israel. Since he say you no get sense, you don't want to be man with you. You don't lose your marriage carelessly. You want to blame and say you buy a phone, you buy a hair, and so fucking what? They carry a shower and they'll buy a house. 2 years no year they'll break up. Okay, you say you don't buy a phone now, you don't buy a hair, so she don't come for the speaker man again, or because they follow the video they waka. Oga, every woman want to see their man win. Okay, so Davido, you have the responsibility to settle that family, settle that home, because not I never see anything serious. So they say it cause break up here. Just try to tell your husband, say, be a man for yourself. Stop fooling yourself around. See, Davido.
So you have watched the video of what he said. He's against Isrealdmw. That guy, you are married. There are some things you should limit. And he's trying to even put the blame on Davido. Like, why are you not putting mouth in this thing that is happening? This is your PA. You're supposed to have had mouth or something. You're supposed to have not allowed it to get to this extent. You're supposed to have brought them together and kind of settle whatever that is their issue, whatever that is a controversy at the moment. Because so many things, I'm just going to get my phone now. Because so many things have been flying on the internet up and down. So many things has been flying on the internet up and down. Okay, SHEILA is not having it. She's saying so many things. I'm going to put it on the screen here so you can read. She has said so many things. She has written down so many things. How Isrealdmw beats her, does so many things to her, locks her in the room. She shows us proof of whatever thing that Israel usually used to do to her. Israel, on the other side, has also brought us receipt of how he was taking care of SHEILA and giving her money, and I don't know, receipts just a fly that receipts just a fly up and down. How he has been giving her money and taking care of her. I beg, guy, you're giving her money and taking care of her. Isn't what you're supposed to be doing? You know, that is to tell you the level of mentality this guy has. You'll mention all the things I've done done for this girl, and so these are the things normal boyfriend they do for girlfriend. At the end of the day, they don't marry. Even this is normal things they do for a shower, at the end of the day, nothing go happen. But you're listing them as your achievement. The one that surprises me itself is the receipt of the money that he usually gives to this girl. As in, do you know you guys are going to have problem? How come you have receipts of this money? Or did you call the bank to tell them to keep receipt for you in case if me and my wife separate? I don't know. I don't really know. I don't really know if where he got all the receipts and how he was able to keep all the receipts of the money he usually sent to this lady. Do you understand? This wife, or this ex-wife. Okay, so now this is just the very happening thing on the internet, and I felt I should just come here and talk about it. See, the thing that what I'll just say in this, my opinion in this is that you can't just change a pig overnight. Before this guy proposed to you, or before this guy showed interest to you, I'm sure you must have googled it. I'm sure you must have checked his Instagram. I'm sure you must have known that this is Davido's PA. And I'm sure you must have seen one or two things flying on the internet, even the ones he used to misbehave, that Davido used to like tell him to go and apologize and every other thing to get. But I don't know, it still felt okay to go ahead. Okay, you had I don't know, maybe you had back of the mind, you're thinking after marrying him, because of the love he has for you, he's going to stop doing nothing, stop being logistic or aid or whatever thing that he is to Davido, and now focus on you. You don't, that is even where he's eating from. It's just like you're working in a multinational company. Davido is his multinational company. So how do you want him to just overnight stop doing the crazy things he's already known to do? Because he can take two head. He might stop doing it. Davido might see him as someone that has become pompous and look for another aid. And if he continues doing it, the wife is also gonna feel bad. So this is like, you have to choose your path. If you want to continue with this marriage, you have to be with this marriage. If you want to continue with aid, you have to be with the aid. But my blame, I'm not blaming the girl for wanting the husband to like kind of upgrade, but I have a little blame on her for thinking that this is who Isrealdmw is, and you think you're just going to come from nowhere and change him overnight. That is where I have problem with her. It's not going to happen. Okay? And mind you, this girl is just 22 years old. Okay? Isrealdmw shouldn't be looking for a girl around 22 years old to marry. If he has married someone between 30 35 years, this wouldn't have just been an issue. Maybe the girl would have seen it from the perspective of, this is just what he's doing, this is what he has been doing around this boss, and this is what puts the, I don't know, just he would have been so much of a matter. Do you understand? But the girl didn't have it. Of course, she's still young. She feels that if she gets out from this marriage, she does not have a child at the moment, that she's still going to move on with her life, and that she's going to see people that are better than Isrealdmw, which she's not actually lying. Okay, so DMW has been very much hot. He has been very much hot. He has been putting so many things on the internet. Yesterday he put something about his boss cancelling 140 million naira show appearance just to be on their wedding, and how he spent extra 30 million just to get a jet and arrive early. Isrealdmw also speaks about the girl's friend, which he labeled speaks about the girl's friend, SHEILA's friend, the ex-wife's friend, which he labeled as a prostitute. For a prostitute, a very high class verified prostitute for fornicating in Abuja. That is what he labeled the girl as. Okay, do you understand? SHEILA would have been my Oga's DM discredit, you know, that kind of thing. And he's still very much hot. This is the picture he posted on the internet. The guy does not have shame. When I tell you the guy does not have shame, just know that the guy does not have shame. This is a picture he put up on the internet, where he does more than this particular one. So maybe the girl just feels that, Oga, calm down. But it's not easy to calm down when you're already living the life of what I don't know. So it's not even easy. It's not even easy to calm down. Okay, it's not easy to calm down. So just the thing is that they should just go in and settle their problem, if at all they will be settling it. Because so many people are saying that if they want to settle it, and Davido should have been the right person to settle this issue for them, and they think Davido is the right person that's going to settle this issue for them, because he was where this issue started from. If I'm gonna just put it that way. But Davido is not saying anything at the moment. Okay, so guys, this brings me to the end of this video. These are the things I can just run down on this video. Okay, these are the things I cannot run down from this video. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you put down in the comment section, what school of thought are you with? Are you with the fact that she knew what she was going into? She already knows this guy's biography, what this guy does, and how this guy moves before she got married? Or you're in the school of thought that she wanted a man to just upgrade and kind of take it a little bit easier compared to the life and the way he was portraying himself on the internet? So kindly put down in the comment section what school of thought you belong to. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.